Let me tell you the sad truth of life. Living a fitness lifestyle today doesn't always bring you support. It shows a very toxic and negative side of people all over the world. You know, in the Bible, in Romans 14 verse 13, it says, "Let's stop passing judgment and not put obstacles in the way of others." That's a message. You know, instead of encouragement, people get criticized. You too skinny, you too big, you too obsessed, you go to the gym too much, or you must be using steroids. Most of the time, it's breaking you down. But here's the honest truth. Training is more than just what people see. For many, it's therapy. It's how they fight depression, anxiety, building self-confidence, and the escape of daily life and stress. You know, judging others doesn't just hurt, it stops people before they even start. You know, fitness should be about growth and resilience and self-improvement, not tearing others down with negative words. And in my personal life as a coach, I've seen with my own eyes people getting mocked simply for wanting to live better. And that's sad, because I know fitness can save your life. So I want to say this: respect those who choose to live healthier. Remember, when you look good, you feel good because you're living healthy. So make that decision today and start living a healthy lifestyle by choosing right. Guys, have a wonderful evening. Lots of blessings to everyone. And I'll catch up again with you guys tomorrow.